I'll play it for you. Then I'll teach it to you. That was fun. So let's get into it then. Left hand first, we start in the bottom Ds. It's all in quarter notes. We're in common time, 4/4 time. And for the most part, except for like one exception, it's all quarter notes. So octave D, octave higher above that D with an A in between. Moving forward, 5/3/2. And 3/2/1. With counting, since they're all quarters, you get just 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and could not be simpler. The right hand, we have just this 1, 2, and 5, and that just aligns with the first note, and you hold it. Next bar, we have left hand first, 5/4/2 and 1, 5/2 and 1, and now the bottom two notes are not going to move. It's just the thumb that falls note by note. So it's on G first, then on F, and then to E. So once more, that's 5/4/2/1. Thumb falls again. The right hand just replays the first chord from the beginning. So we have 1, 2, and 5. Next, the pinky falls to G, bottom two notes stay put. Moving on, we have 4 on F, bottom two stay put. 3 on E, bottom two stay put. So we have all together. It's pretty intuitive, I think. Moving on, we get left hand first, octave A, 5 and 2. 3 and 1, 1 and 5. Again, all quarters. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and very straightforward. The right hand, we have 1, 2, and 5. Bottom two stay put. We go to 4 on F. Should feel familiar. Moving on, we have 1, 2, 3, A major, 1 and 2 to finish the bar. Yeah, I think that's best. Everything aligns. Both the hands. Align at every moment. Moving on to the next bar, we have, so that's A again, 3/1, 4/1, 5/1. Thumb stays put. It's just the bottoms that move down. Again, it's all quarters. The right hand, we have 1, 2, 3 again. Lift everything. Come down on 5/2. E's gonna stay put. After that, we have 1 on A and 1 on G. So you can see that both the hands are actually doing the same notes. It's the same stuff. All right, so we have this. B flat E in both hands. A E in both hands. G E in both hands. Moving to the next bar, we have left hand. Come down on G octaves, jump up to 5 and 2. 3, 2, 1. Thumb falls, bottom 2, do not move. Quarters. Nice and simple. Rhythm is very straightforward. The right hand, we have 1, 2, and 5. Bottom 2s are going to stay put the whole way through. 4 on E, 3 on D, and 3 on C sharp. Both hands. Actually, I should follow my own advice. And then into the next part we have. Okay, let me put all that together with counting so you can see how simple and straightforward it is. We have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 sometimes I don't use my own fingerings. I kind of make it up as I go along, but the ones I gave you are good, so do what I tell you. It's the easiest way, I promise. Okay, moving on to the 6th bar here. That's going to be here. That I'm going to finish on the website. Go check it out there and finish it there. The sheet music will be up there for download. I just don't want to make these YouTube tutorials too long. It's almost 10 minutes long now. And I'll also cover how to pedal this in the finishing parts of this tutorial. So that was cool. Let me know what you'd like me to do next in the comments, and subscribe if you feel I've earned it. It's a lot of fun doing these superhero themes, especially when I do the arrangements myself. All right, see you in the next ones, y'all.